Why lentils are very good for vegans and vegetarians. As veganism continues to grow in popularity, it's important to consider the nutritional benefits of plant-based foods. Lentils are an excellent source of nutrition for vegans, providing an array of important nutrients. In this video, we will explore the nutritional benefits of lentils for vegans and vegetarians. Lentils are an outstanding plant-based source of protein, with 100 grams of cooked lentils supplying around 9 grams of protein. This makes them a vital protein source for vegans and vegetarians, who often need to combine different plant-based sources of protein to meet their daily protein requirements. Not only are lentils a good source of protein, but they also contain all of the essential amino acids that the human body needs to function properly. In particular, lentils are relatively high in lysine, an amino acid that is often low in other plant-based protein sources such as grains and legumes. This makes lentils a valuable protein source for people who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet. Moreover, the quality of the protein in lentils is high, with a protein digestibility corrected amino acid score, PACUS, of 0.77. The PACUS is a measure of protein quality that takes into account both the amino acid content of a protein and how well the body can digest and use it. A score of 1.0 is considered the highest possible quality, and while lentils don't quite reach this level, their PACUS is still relatively high. In addition, lentils are also rich in fiber, with 100 grams of cooked lentils providing approximately 8 grams of fiber. Lentils contain both insoluble and soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber is beneficial for digestive health by adding bulk to the stool and promoting regular bowel movements. The soluble fiber in lentils, on the other hand, can help to reduce cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote feelings of fullness, which can be beneficial for weight management. Lentils are a relatively low-fat food, with 100 grams of cooked lentils providing around 0.4 grams of fat. The type of fat found in lentils is predominantly polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which are considered healthier types of fats compared to saturated and trans fats. Lentils are also a good source of essential fatty acids, such as alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is an omega-3 fatty acid that the body cannot produce and must obtain from the diet. Polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic illnesses. Essential fatty acids such as ALA have been associated with reduced inflammation, improved brain function, and a lower risk of heart disease. In addition, lentils are a good source of iron, a crucial nutrient for vegans and vegetarians, who may be at risk of iron deficiency anemia due to the absence of Haeme iron found in animal products. 100 grams of cooked lentils supplies approximately 3.3 milligrams of iron, which equates to roughly 1/3 of the daily requirement for adults. Lentils are also a good source of folate, another essential nutrient for vegans and vegetarians who may be at risk of folate deficiency due to the lack of folate found in animal products. 100 grams of cooked lentils provides roughly 181 micrograms of folate, which amounts to approximately 45% of the daily requirement for adult. Finally, lentils are a good source of other crucial nutrients for vegans and vegetarians, such as potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. In conclusion, lentils are an excellent plant-based source of protein, fiber, low fat, iron, and other essential nutrients for vegans and vegetarians. By incorporating lentils into a vegan or vegetarian diet, it's possible to ensure that the body receives the nutrition it requires to operate efficiently. As a result, lentils are a vital component of a healthy and balanced vegan diet. At Sinonin Biotech, we understand plant protein functionality and how to apply them in meat alternatives. If you wish to formulate with lentils, talk to us. We shall help you on the formulation and validation strategies to deliver a nutritionally compliant and wholesome human or pet food meat alternatives. Contact us today.